Eh, eh, oi. Alamak. Why suddenly my motorbike problem, sia?
What happened to your bike? Hey.
Guys, are you guys okay?
I'm not sure. My bike suddenly stalled on me.
Eh, are you guys Farhan and Zar, right? You guys review bikes?
Yes, that's right. We are Farhan and Zar. Hey, this one is the latest fire bike, right?
Yes, it's the latest fire bike.
The one that come out at the NDP.
You guys are right.
Oh.
Since we are bike reviewers, can we review your bike or not?
Sure. I'm on my way to CDA for the fire bike workshop. Why not we review there?
Kan?
But your bike how?
Yeah. Okay. Let's try. One more time. Can it start? Hey, alamak, it can start. Oh man, you are a life-saving force, man.
Alright, let's go!
What is up, guys? Farhan here with Zar once again, and today we have fire biker Sergeant Farhan from Paya Lebar Fire Station. How are you?
Hi guys.
Thank you so much for agreeing to do this. It's such an honor to have SCDF on board. He's gonna share with us on the SCDF fire bike, also known as the Red Scorpion, right?
Is it?
No,
You hardly use the name lah. From our understanding, this is the latest generation of the SCDF fire bike lah.
Yes, correct.
The Piaggio MP3.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Piaggio.
Piaggio MP3.
Piaggio.
So maybe Farhan, you want to share on the audience what the fire biker actually does. What's the purpose of a fire biker?
So for as fire biker, we respond to fire, rescue and medical calls in terms of emergency. So most of the time, we are the one who will be the first to arrive.
First to arrive in the scene.
That's correct.
Wow, that must be very nerve-wracking for you.
Before we talk about the current generation of the fire bike, maybe you can give us a brief history of fire bikes that have been used before this.
So basically for fire bike, the first bike was a Suzuki Impulse, followed by the Suzuki Pendic. After that, we were changed to the Honda Super 4 series. And now we are with the Piaggio MP3 series.
So the latest generation also uses a Piaggio MP3.
Yes, correct. Piaggio MP3, yes, correct.
Yeah. Is there a reason behind why you are still using the Piaggio MP3?
It was actually three-wheeler and safer for the riders lah.
So what's the difference between a civilian Piaggio MP3 versus the fire bike? You can
So,
see, so obvious.
basically for this fire bike, it's been think of community and to build this project, this bike, and also a feedback from all the other bikers where we compile, and this is what the outcome is like lah. Because at the story also, we are the rider that will ride this bike.
This is the result of feedback over the years
Yes,
from
correct.
the fire bikers and on the ground and what they want to improve. So what we have here is
The final product.
The final product.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that's cool, man. Farhan.
Same name.
Farhan.
You all got same name lah.
Sergeant Farhan. So what are the differences between this latest generation and the previous generation?
Okay, about that, I will invite my officer in charge to tell you more about this fire bike.
Oh, and
Okay. Oh, hi.
This Major Shafi.
Major Shafi, nice to meet you.
So,
What you're looking at, I think Farhan already gave you the brief intro on all the bits and pieces, right? But my most favorite thing about this bike, literally, is the look.
The look.
Okay, it's more aggressive, it's more angular, and then it has daytime running lights, different shape of the windshield. And then when we move to the back, what we have here is an optimized compartment for the rider lah. The riding sitting position, if you notice, the seat is a bit thicker than usual. Actually, it can go way back. But because we have all the equipment loaded at the back, it tends to be a bit back heavy. So to balance out the CG, we try to push the rider slightly in front. Because a lot of people don't realize the rider's weight and positioning plays a lot on the handling of the bike.
Okay.
So little bits of improvement also we made. We have a better handphone holder, so it's more secure.
Last time is the X grip, right?
So this is much better than the previous.
I would say
model
more
lah.
secure lah.
Another thing we have also is SAE
Oh, wow.
Class 1 lights. So the thing is the light placement is very important for us because this is to ensure safety on the road. It's a 360-degree field of vision. So any approaching traffic from anywhere will be able to see these very bright lights. So it's safety for riders on the scene. Also, Farhan also mentioned the side mounting cab backpack, right? So maybe you want to demonstrate how we do it?
So last time it was
It was
facing
right in the
seat.
middle, so you can imagine the rider has to position himself here, then start struggling. Whereas this one, he just needs to come to the back of the bike. He unbuckles the thing, makes himself comfortable with the strap, and then he just pull forward.
Oh, wow.
There you go. So he's ready to go, ready to rock.
Simple, very simple.
Okay, so the beauty of this particular design, when he's putting it back, is just as easy. So what Farhan needs to do is just, tilt his body up, just move back, and then once he doesn't feel any weight on his shoulders, he can just unstrap, turn around, and then secure it. You see? So this eliminates the need to actually place the backpack on the ground, and then after that, pull it up again. Roughly about 20 odd kg, close to 25 kg, fully filled.
Wow.
So it needs a bit of strength. So these are the small touches which help our guys on the ground. Okay. So we want to show you inside. What we have is a bigger compartment where we can actually put our emergency medical technician bag, the fire helmet, the fire extinguisher. So this is everything a fire biker needs to deal with any emergency medical cases that they respond to. And this is the latest generation of the emergency medical technician bag.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's fully equipped. So we have different modules. So the idea behind this is I can take out this and then I can pass it to people to do different things. So like let's say we go for road traffic accident, I can pass to my colleague. This is a trauma pack with all our dressings that needed to bandage the wounds. So I can basically distribute the task to somebody else. I can pass this to someone else. Then you do the monitoring, take his vital signs. So this is also inventions by the Fire Bike Committee also. So it's all due to rider input. What they need to get the job done properly.
So I noticed that there's also a helmet, but I don't think the fire bikers will be wearing this helmet when they're riding.
No, not for riding. But you can see this is actually a hard hat, more for firefighting.
Okay.
So for riding, we have a flip-up full-face helmet,
Right.
which we also recently introduced, and it suits our needs because this is weighted when it's open and closed, the chin bar. So when they're riding longer distances, they can actually close the chin bar for added protection. Of course, we encourage them to put it down because nothing beats a chin bar to take back in case they fall. So other features, we have a pin lock visor inside. So when it's the foggy, it won't fog up your lens, definitely. And we also have an internal sun visor also. So this adds to the comfort of the rider.
Okay.
So just also looks quite snazzy. Nice graphics.
Nice, yeah, I like it.
And the graphics are all reflective, so it's also functional.
Just now, Farhan mentioned under the seat there's a grinder and.
We can take a look.
Maybe we can have a look.
Yeah, sure. So this is a forcible entry bag. Because when our guys, like Farhan, respond to a fire, you have our equipment, yes, put out the fire to deal with an emergency medical case. But what if the person is, behind a locked door? So this is where we use our tools. So we have this electric grinder. It's a battery pack. So this can be used to cut padlocks.
Oh, okay.
Padlocks. Okay, we also have a seatbelt cutter also. In case we need to cut seatbelt, break windows, we can use this to smash the glass. And then what we have behind is what we call a rabbit tool.
Rabbit tool.
Rabbit tool.
Okay, why is it rabbit tool?
Because
it's a rabbit.
We will come to that later. But we show you what it does first. So essentially what your rabbit tool is a hydraulic pump.
Oh, okay.
We have the foot here. And what this does is at first just imagine I have a door here. Okay, we use the pry bar and we use a mallet to get in between the door.
Okay.
And then we try to make some purchase, as in make a bigger gap. So once we get the thing, that's where we can actually insert this into that small gap. Of course, we use a mallet to knock it in. So it's typically, if let's say fire engine does it, it's actually a two-man job. But the biker has to do it by himself.
Okay.
So there are various ways and means that the guys like to do it. For example, you can take your pry bar, you can just knock it into the wood or in the frame. So when you actually knock this in, this thing stays. Or you can use your hand to hold and another hand just nicely balancing to pump the thing. So you try to pump the thing, then you can see exactly what it does.
Okay.
So it uses hydraulic force to
Oh,
force.
wow.
Okay, now looking at the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
How on earth is this a rabbit?
Yeah.
Where's the rabbit in the rabbit?
Where's the rabbit?
I'll show you where's the rabbit. This is a
This
rabbit.
one. Oh.
Like a bunny ears.
Bunny. Oh, bunny ears.
This is the rabbit.
Reminds me of a car jack actually. I think this is the moment I've been waiting for a long time. The siren.
The thing is, for this bike, before you turn on the siren, you have to turn on the lights.
I see.
So this is the button. Nicely placed such that the rider can use the thumb. So you press this button once.
This button once, Kuat tak?
Press.
Okay, can
No, that's for the lights.
Oh, that's for the lights. I
okay,
see.
so now the lights are on.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Then after that, you see the middle button.
Okay.
This middle button will start the siren, but I want to bring your attention to the last button.
The horn.
This is the air horn.
Air horn.
So if let's say we want to horn at people normally just to alert motorists, this is a normal bike horn.
Okay.
Sometimes may not hear, not so effective. So we have an air horn. So it's a different tone of horn, just to tell your motorists in front, please give way, be wary.
Okay.
Then now comes the siren. So siren, you just press once.
Press one time. This one loud.
Oh sorry, you press and hold. Now what's known as night mode.
Oh, night mode. Okay.
Night mode. So this is when you want to alert people in the vicinity, but you do not want to wake up the whole neighborhood. Because you imagine at night, you don't really need that loud a siren because there's no first thing, not too many vehicles on the road, and secondly we have to be considerate not as emergency but it's happening elsewhere. Even in any siren mode, you can still activate the.
Oh, I see. So in case the gale they really don't want to make way
Correct.
you go and
So this is also a time for PSA also. Please give way to emergency.
Please give way.
Every second counts. You have to turn on, you just press twice.
Okay.
Okay, that's cool.
So as a fire biker, you can see your uniform is very different from a regular firefighter. Maybe you want to explain more on the differences?
So basically for us, the difference is our paddings. We are CE level 1 armor, right? So basically we have our shoulder, our elbow, our hip, our back and our knee for protection. So in a way, 2 in 1 in a way. So for riding and also for us while we're doing firefighting
Wow, so
operation.
it protects you while riding and protects you in the fire.
Yes, correct.
Wow, is it hot?
Of course it's hot.
I think for yourself, your everyday cases.
You get used to it.
You
Yes,
get
correct.
used to it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So Farhan,
Yes.
are you ready for a challenge?
Huh? What challenge?
Just now you asked about the bunker gear. You want
Yeah.
to wear the bunker gear?
Why not? Come on, try lah. Be a sport, man.
Okay, try lah.
That's the way.
Okay, guys, let's see. Farhan here wears the fire bucket. What do you call
Bunker
that?
gear.
Bunker gear, Okay, let's do it. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna try and wear the fire biker suit. Is it?
Yeah, it's a fire biker suit.
How fast is usually the standard?
How fast? We want to be ready at all times. So to lessen the activation time, our guys tend to wear it within about 1 minute and 15 seconds.
1 minute 15 seconds.
Are you up to the challenge? Yeah?
Okay lah, let's do it lah. Let's do it.
Let's give it a go. Okay. So on my mark, ready, get set, go.
Alamak.
Relax. Slow is fast
Trying
and fast
to
is
beat the
slow.
clock.
Pull out your pants. Zip first.
Zip first,
Okay.
Okay, so
Fuh. The style.
gerak sah. Tired also.
Okay, zip. Zip.
Oh, zip first.
Zip.
Okay.
Don't cheat.
Don't cheat.
Okay, helmet. Feel for it. Yes, in you go. Dah belum?
Is it in?
Okay, it's in.
Okay. So time.
Okay,
How did I do, sir?
The timing is 58 seconds. Okay, but when my guys do it, they wear the full breathing apparatus with mask, everything on. So you got discount a bit lah. But okay, not too bad for first time. Now we try the camp backpack.
This one is it?
So I give you a bit of a demonstration how my guys use this. So what they do is we move these buckles first. Okay. Then you got the waist strap back. Okay. So they usually loosen out so it's a bit more space. So what they do is this, they sling one here. Okay, they sling the other arm in. Okay, get yourself comfortable. This one, you make sure your leavings are out, tighten up a bit, then you just lift off. So now for you to try how easy it is to do.
So what's the weight of this, sir?
Yeah, so the water weight of this is 9 liters of
9
foam.
liters.
Altogether, full assembly, about 25 kg.
25 kg.
25 kg.
Okay lah. Hopefully I'm still strong enough lah.
You should be because
Going for IPPT by the way.
yes. Okay, so anyway, the clips we take it out
Loosen
already.
up for you,
So you just give a feel how heavy is it.
Feels pretty awkward, I must say.
Yeah, it's something that you need to drill in. So okay, you get close to it. Then you try to tighten up these two straps. Tighten up as much as you can.
okay.
Tighten up. Then after all you need to do is just lean forward to release the thing.
Berat juga,
then
sir.
you can move.
It's quite heavy. It's quite heavy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So you guys must carry up the
Wherever we need to go
stairs or whatever. Oh my gosh. So every time a fire biker, when he gets on the scene, he will bring like this.
If it's a fire if he needs to break into a door or anything like that, they have another set. You saw the black color bag, right? He has a rabbit tool and he has a grinder to defeat the lock, gate and door to get access into the unit.
Oh my god. It's pretty heavy, guys. I must say, I feel pretty awkward in the boots and the full gear right now. And the mask also.
You haven't wear the mask yet?
I haven't wear the mask yet.
You haven't wear the mask.
I think if I wear more suffocating.
You want to try or not, the mask?
No, it's okay. It's okay. Thanks.
So far, you already felt the weight of the care backpack. You tried wearing the suit, right?
Yes.
Okay, now you try firing the care backpack. Okay,
Okay.
So it's like, just treat it like a water pistol or something like that. So you just hold it as you would, then after you just spray. Just push your whole hand.
Okay.
Just spray. Just
So
aim wherever.
just spray. I
Just aim
spray at the drain, okay?
Just drain.
Dah macam like Ghostbusters ah.
Nice shooting, Tex.
You can change the mode. So in order to conserve your Mitsubishi medium, you can just turn it like that, then it becomes a spray mode.
Wow.
See?
Wow. It's suddenly Christmas ah. Oh my gosh.
Wah, rabak sah. The training you guys have to go through, having to face emergency situation and then wearing all this heavy gear. Oh man, really respect.
Just
Salute
now
you guys.
I only wear also I wear only tired. Really salute you guys. Thank you so much for showing us the new fire bike.
No problem.
Well guys, I think we need to rest. I think we'll continue this in the next episode.
We will see you the next one.
Hey, that one my line lah.